I think one of the things we're trying to do at the Analytical Scientist is talk about topics that are of interest not only in the present but also into the future. And I think open source hardware really gives us an exciting glimpse of what might be in the future. It's almost on the edge of science fiction, the ability to actually personally manufacture products or goods. We've already seen a revolution in the digitization of music and video, and likewise I think open source manufacture or open source hardware and personal manufacturing will enable certain people to actually create their own products, and the idea that you can share designs amongst a community of other people and improve on those designs adds an added dimension to that. As we look much further into the future, it could be possible that we could download schematics from vendors to produce the goods in our office or in our home or in our lab. This would save on shipping costs, it would save on manufacturing costs for the vendors themselves. I think it could potentially revolutionise the way we consume goods. Much like the replicator in Star Trek, which Joshua Pierce references in my view piece in the same issue, it could change the way we consume all of our products. Well, we actually discussed this topic with a few of the members of our EAB, and they raised some interesting points as well. We actually thought there might be some backlash from vendors about the idea of open source hardware, but actually because of the complicated nature of most analytical instruments, I think the majority of vendors will see it not as a challenge but actually as an opportunity. Certainly as we move into the future, the ability to manufacture in multiple materials will become necessary to really take it to its final conclusion, I think. We want people to come together and discuss such concepts as open source hardware. We want readers to engage with the content. We want to pose questions. Open source hardware, is it the future or is it not? You may be skeptical, or you may have had a bad experience, or you may just believe it is just simply science fiction. We want to hear from our readers and see what they think. Have they been involved in collaborative projects to design hardware, or are they interested in doing that, or have they had good experiences with open source software, for example?